Best Touring Cruiser Motorcycle, Moto Guzzi Eldorado Review, Touring Elegance in Italian Style? When it comes to blending history, style, and modern performance, the Moto Guzzi Eldorado stands out as one of the most elegant touring motorcycles ever produced. Inspired by the original Eldorado of the 1970s, this modern revival embodies the charm of Italian craftsmanship while packing the technology needed for long-distance journeys. For riders seeking something different from mainstream American cruisers, the Eldorado delivers touring elegance in Italian style. At its heart, the Eldorado features Moto Guzzi's signature V-twin engine and 1,380 cubic centimeters air and oil-cooled powerhouse that produces ample torque at low revs. Known for its smooth yet muscular delivery, the engine provides a commanding presence on highways while remaining manageable in urban settings. Its unique transverse-mounted configuration not only sets it apart visually but also ensures excellent cooling and distinctive character that fans of Italian cruisers deeply admire. Stylistically, the retro cruiser design of the Eldorado is unmistakable. Its white wall tires, chrome accents, and teardrop fuel tank nod to classic Americana, while refined details such as Moto Guzzi's Eagle badge and premium finishes highlight its Italian identity. The low-slung seat and relaxed ergonomics provide long-distance comfort, making it as practical as it is beautiful. Touring riders will also appreciate its modern amenities. The Eldorado incorporates ABS, traction control, and ride-by-wire throttle with selectable riding modes, ensuring both safety and flexibility on diverse roads. Paired with shaft drive reliability and a comfortable suspension setup, the motorcycle is built for serious touring while maintaining its vintage-inspired aesthetic. On the digital front, the Moto Guzzi Eldorado has gained recognition through numerous YouTube reviews. One of its greatest online achievements came from a long-distance documentary ride across southern Europe, where riders showcased the bike's ability to cover thousands of kilometers in comfort. The series emphasized not only the Eldorado's reliability but also its ability to draw admiration from onlookers at every stop, reinforcing its reputation as a machine of touring elegance. Other popular YouTube content includes side-by-side comparisons with American cruisers such as Harley-Davidson's Heritage Classic and Indian's Chief. Reviewers consistently praise the Eldorado's distinctiveness, pointing out how its Italian flair and mechanical character set it apart in a field dominated by American machines. Customization videos also perform well, with owners personalizing their Eldorados to emphasize either vintage looks or modern touring capability. Conclusion: the Moto Guzzi Eldorado is more than just a motorcycle, it's a rolling piece of Italian art designed for the open road. With its powerful V-twin engine, retro cruiser design, and blend of tradition with modern touring features, it represents a unique alternative for riders seeking individuality and refinement. Its strong presence in YouTube reviews, long-distance touring series, and enthusiast comparisons underscores its status as not only a stylish Italian cruiser but also a legitimate contender for the title of Best Touring Cruiser Motorcycle.